Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus Trader YouTube channel and welcome you all to the post-market analysis. And before starting our analysis, let's see. Nifty dropped by 77 points and closed at 21,571, and Sensex dropped by 259 points and closed at 71,423. And if you see Bank Nifty, after a big volatility, it closed 0.95 cents. That means near to the same closing of yesterday. Okay, so we're going to also discuss each and everything, but one thing, if you observe yesterday, Nifty outperformed and Bank Nifty underperforming, and the roles are reversed today. So along with that, we're going to also cover about COVID cases increased, and also we're going to discuss about Hindustan Unilever effect on the Nifty, and also we're going to discuss about IDBI Bank and Kotak Bank results, and these all things are we going to club as a news before we do technical analysis, and thereafter we cover the news. So this is a new approach we are bringing to the daily analysis, and I want to know your comments or like your feedback through the comments. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So if you see today's market, yesterday itself we discussed about this level, and you can clearly see it opened almost above our level, and thereafter you can see the correction towards down. And this, after this particular downfall, and they are exactly rejecting from our supply ranges, right? We discussed this as a supply range, and if sustains, we will see bullish only about 21,821. This is what we discussed. So now as it is rejecting from this area, so I would be looking for 21,474, and you can clearly see here these are the levels we discussed yesterday, and clearly we are getting we got rejection from here, and it took support up from our down level, and thereafter ultimately even that level got broke out, and again you can see it is taking the rejection at the same level. So this is the importance of the levels, and even if you see in the Telegram channel, and again I am repeating the same thing, you need to join the Telegram channel, because this sort of updates I cannot make a video, because we would have little time for these updates, and we cannot record, upload, and all these things the time. So if you see in the Telegram channel, you can clearly see a lot of things I have updated about one level. You can clearly see, I don't want to just repeat the same thing. I have given a 5 points range, and clearly said that if this 5 points range breaks, then we clearly see the day low, and obviously that happened at this area. We have updated, and here the time is also mentioned, you can go and check it out. And before that we updated this range, you can clearly see this range, and trade range rewards, and if you use this range, definitely it would have rewarded you, and one who have got benefited with this, please show your support in the comment section. And I also posted the railway focus stocks, and with the complete list you can have a look at this particular stocks, because nowadays they are on news. Okay, and at the closing end I have given this message, so that is very important, because these areas I have updated in the Telegram channel, and clearly you can see at this area somewhere in between I have updated the range, and again if you see from that range, this is the one trade you might have got, and second almost two trades you might have got. In case if you have not checked out our Telegram channel, if you have watched our previous market analysis video yesterday which I posted at late night, if you see that, then obviously you would have captured this up more. So now coming to Bank Nifty, as I said, Bank Nifty, if you are beginner or like you cannot handle the volatility of this, then obviously you stay away for few more days, because in the news video we're going to cover about Kotak results, and as well as ICICI results. We're going to discuss in detail in that part. So now coming to, as assuming, if I want to speak about further trading levels, I would update intraday levels in the Monday evening or Monday morning. You will get the video about that. But coming to positionally, yes, positionally if you talk, you can clearly see Still I am looking for the levels. Just a second, let me move to 30 minutes time frame, and still I am sticking with the same levels. If this orange line, that is 46357, breaks, then 46806, until and unless these both levels are holding, I am not gonna to go for short positions in the bank nifty. But coming to nifty, as I said, see, both are on a different trend, or rather I say, according to my analysis, both are giving different bias, so we cannot switch to both environments. That's the reason from past 2 days, even if you see, we are updating only about the nifty, because we are sticking until this volatility and the news environments goes and everything gets clear. Again we will switch back to bank nifty. But still, one who are trading and looking for the levels, so these are the levels. And if this particular 45767, even today you can see it got a support here. If this breaks, then 48,230 is my downside level which I am looking at. And let's also see the index movers. Something very interesting, if you see index movers, ICICI Bank, and again I am saying it is almost near to all time high. Yes, coming to expectations of results, street have bigger expectations. I would also gonna to talk about this in the news part. And coming to interesting part, if you see Hindustan Unilever, and we're going to also cover that. Not only Hindustan Unilever, FMCG and as well as IT sector dragged the Nifty today. Nifty 50 is dragged by IT sector and FMCG. Whereas coming to banking sector, yes, you can say it is little bit of short covering might be also possible. But yes, as I said, you can ignore bank nifty at least until today we get ICICI results. So now this is what happened. And for the nifty 50, as I said, I am looking for 21,474 until this 21,710 break. Yes guys, before seeing the news concepts, you can see the low volume environment. So that's the reason we are saying that we will make a detailed analysis video on Monday, because ICICI Bank results are like make or break. If ICICI Bank posts the market estimation, then obviously we see some bullishness on the bank nifty, and if not, again we may see a drop. So it's like I can say that it's like a make or break. But market expectations you can clearly see in last 3 videos. You clearly see whenever we see the index movers, ICICI Bank is on the top. So that's the reason, if you see even the long weekend or whatever, the low weeks environment has happened. And even you can see IT, in the IT we have seen a profit booking today. And as well as coming to FMCG, struggled with the HUL results, and we're going to also talk in meanwhile. And next week we also have BOJ and ECB interest rate decisions, along with US GDP data. So these are also important things which we need to cover. So let's see the COVID cases. And if you see, recently 313 COVID cases raised, according to today's report, which is posted in Economic Times website. You can also go through and check. But in the health minister, which is mentioned that in the December 5th, while in the December 5th they have decreased to 2-digit number, but suddenly we have seen a 313 cases today. Among that, 3 deaths have confirmed, 2 from the Karnataka and 1 from Maharashtra. But if you see, this sort of news we got in December as well, but the market discounted all these newses, because until and unless the numbers increase and the situation comes severe, the market is already discounted this news. But still, make sure you keep a focus on that. And coming to Hindustan Unilever, if you see the Hindustan Unilever, the results they have posted, that did not meet the street estimations. And according to a lot of 6 top brokers have mentioned that Q3 likely to be 2678 crore, but company reported 7.28% fall from 2717 previous. So this upsetted the market, and you can see the clear results, almost 3% down. Now the next news is about IDBI Bank. And if you observe, it's almost posted 50% plus year on year results, and that is obviously the good. And market, you can clearly see 12% raised from in single day. So this is the result effect. And coming to Kotak Bank also increased their asset quality. So market also, you can see the Kotak Bank almost increased 1.84%. But coming to ICICI Bank, still the results are getting on. And if you see, net profit was in line with the market estimation of 9,946 crores. Market almost expected that 20%, but it's almost near to 24% jump in the results. Remaining everything we're gonna to cover after complete results, and we're gonna to cover that in the Monday video, as I said. At any part of the video, if you like my efforts, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to join the Telegram channel. So see you in the Monday's video, and until then, this is Krishna signing off. Jai Hind.